So today we're going to talk about this military timepiece that I got from Infantry from off of Amazon. I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers. You'll see his comment pop up in just a minute, who recommended I do a military watch review. And so that's what we're going to do today. Unboxing of this infantry timepiece and a quick review, an initial impressions kind of unboxing review. There's a gentleman there who asked for a military watch, and I'm delivering. So guys, on this channel, ask me if you want to see different types of watches, Flieger watches, you know, submarine diving watches, military watches, racing watches, and I'll try to see what I can do. So the watch comes in a pretty plain looking box, but not bad. There's the timepiece all wrapped up. There's the warranty card and some information about the timepiece there from Amazon enclosed. By the way, the technical information you'll see pop up on the screen right off the Amazon app, so obviously credit to Amazon. And there's some information about the watch, basically. So there it is. Nice looking military style watch. All the specifications and technical information you will see, of course, pop up again. Credit to Amazon. There's a picture of my old cat card, one of them. The watch is not very thick compared to some of the other timepieces that I've shown on this channel. Nice leather strap. Feels like it's good quality. I like the orange, kind of like off orange accents of the numbers and the marker indices. Setting the time is pretty simple. Time and date, pretty simple. There's a little plastic tab behind it that I have to take out. So when you get the watch, take the little plastic tab out so you can actually finish setting the time. And again, this is a watch from Infantry. They make different types of military watches. There you go. Some of the specifications there. Metal crystal for the glass. Part number for the timepiece. And the fact that this timepiece wasn't expensive at all is great. There's my Shirley daily driver. Check those videos out about my Shirley Vintage Pilot 7200 TAC 1. If you look at my videos, you'll find it. There's a couple of videos about that. I also have a couple of videos about another Shirley that I have as well, and a airliner. So you can see the size comparison there between the Shirley and this Infantry MDC timepiece. The Infantry timepiece is not quite as thick, not quite as big, although the lugs are, you can see, chunkier than the Shirley, but the rest of it's not very chunky at all. Kind of reminiscent almost of a Timex, the way they look. There's some more information about the timepiece, again courtesy Amazon, took it right off of their website, so Stainless steel case, shock resistant, second hand, there's a quartz movement, water resistant, 50 meters. I've already had this timepiece doing a voiceover part here of the video, had it in the shower and in the rain, no problems at all. The watch is very comfortable on the wrist compared to the shoulder belly. I really almost couldn't tell half the time that I had it on. Really comfortable. Easy to use keepers. They don't feel flimsy or cheap. They don't feel like they're going to break next week. Buckle's pretty standard. And even though in this part of the video you're seeing the actual unboxing, by this point I've actually had the watch now for almost a week. And happy to report no problems, no issues. And I have very small wrists. I don't have to poke an extra hole in the strap, which is nice. No problems with the pins holding the strap into the lugs. No problem at all. Pretty durable. Not too flashy. Kind of a multi-layered dial. Very nice. So if you want something that's no fuss, pretty simple, gives you the date and the time, then this is the timepiece for you. And of course you can see the different markers on the face of a timepiece. I know, laugh at my firearm, cheap High Point C9, but hey, it's a home defense weapon. It gets the job done. That's all I needed. I'm not rich. Subscribe so I can afford a better firearm, would you? That's me back at BMU 2 back in the day. At Beachmaster Unit 2, Little Creek. Back in the day. Here's me on a secret mission to the Charlottesville area. Afton Mountain. I'm going to go carry out a secret mission with my Infantry MDC timepiece. Like I'm James Bond or something. By the way, this is Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. We do reviews and unboxings and talk about affordable timepieces from a couple of dollars up to about $400 to $500 range. So if you like to know about affordable timepieces, you're in the right place. Now let's put some light on the timepiece with one of my mini tactical flashlights. The timepiece initially has pretty good lume, but I've noticed it doesn't seem to last all that long. I think what I'll do in the near future, I'll take several of my watches, line them up, and do a time lapse and see which one looms the best for the longest. But if you need it to loom for a short period of time, for a few minutes, this timepiece is fine for that. But the loom won't last that long. Probably about a half hour or so, it will probably get almost useless. But my first impressions, great timepiece for the money. You really can't go wrong. Stay tuned to Atlantic Ocean Watch here on YouTube. I've got an Invicta timepiece coming up next that you'll want to buy, I think, when you see it. As a matter of fact, we're recording this voiceover. I'm wearing it on my wrist right now. and it is great. So Invicta coming up next, a Russian diver, something you've probably never seen before. Can't wait to show you. Thank you for subscribing to Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. I'm also Atlantic Ocean Watch on Instagram and Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Be well.